Okay. Hello children, I am your English teacher Vaishali S. Subale. Hope you all are fine at home. Today I am going to teach you all English grammar, that is articles. So, what are articles? Do you know children? Articles are the words used before noun and modified noun. Articles function as adjectives. Articles are specific or generally used. Article like a and the. These are the articles in English language. These are three articles. Okay, let me give you the definition. Articles are used to point out or refer to noun, that is a, and the. These are called articles. So, children, there are totally two types of articles in English, that is definite article and indefinite article. So let me give the definition of articles again. That is the definite article. The is called the definite article because it always point out some particular object. Example, this is the boy who had stolen my purse. Okay children, this is here after this is the word to show particularly the boy. The boy has been here is shown particularly about boy we are talking, so we use the article the before boy. Okay children, now let's move to indefinite article. A and an are called indefinite article because they do not refer to any particular or definite person, place or thing, as an umbrella, a boy, a book. Okay children, so let me tell you in English how do we use a or an. Okay. When to use a or an. So totally you are aware there are 26 alphabets in English. Okay. That is 26 letters. And in those 26 letters, 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. So which are the 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. And the consonants are B, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. And do you know children, vowels, before vowels we use the sound an or the article and we will use before the sounds of vowels. And before the sounds of consonant words, we use a. Okay. Now, let me give you the examples of 5 vowels. How the sounds of vowels we use an. Okay. Uh, so, here A, E, I, O, U are the 5 vowels. An is used before vowels. Example, an ant, an enemy, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. And R. See, here H is there, but the pronunciation of H will become silent and the O pronunciation is heard. So, this sounds of some alphabets which are not vowels, but it sounds as vowel. So, we use and front of those words. Okay. Now, front of consonant. A boy, a woman, a horse, a book, a European, a university, a 1 rupee coin. Now see children, here a European, no doubt it is a vowel, E is vowel, but it sound as what? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And front of university also we have add A. Here your sound is being heard. Okay. And here the next example, a 1 rupee note. Here O is a vowel, but it is spelled as V or W. So we use A front of this sound of alphabets or vowels. Okay. So the rules to be used. Okay. Now where we have to use the and A and. Now first rule is the is used before a word denoting a particular person or thing. Example, let's go to the cinema. So what we have used here? The cinema. Okay. Next, before the name of following means before some particular definite things. Okay. sea, river, gulf, canals, desert. The Red Sea, the Persian Gulf Sea. Particularly, we are aware about that. So, we use the. Okay, that is definite article. Before the titles, okay, we use the great king Ashoka, the great king Akbar. Okay, before the word denoting number, weight, cloth is sold by the meter. So what we use? The meter. Okay, definitely whatever we are aware about the things, person, place, we use definite article the. So rule second, that is how to use a, where we have to use a. A is used before a consonant, a tiger. Also before a word beginning with a vowel but sounding like consonant. Example, a 1 rupee coin, a European, a utensil. Even if the sentence is spoken emphatically, Rome was not built in a day. Okay, children? So, this was the rule how to use a and where to use a. So, the rule when to use an. Okay. An is used before a word beginning with vowel. An apple. Even an is used before the word beginning with consonant but having a sound of vowel. Example, an ambitious, an hour, an honest man. So see here an hour we pronounce the word o more, not h. H will become silent. Even in the second word, an honest man. Okay. Understood, children? Way to use an. Okay. Now the first usage. Let me teach you about the first usage. Okay. It is used to refer to something which has already been mentioned. Example, he has a girl. The girl wants to become a doctor. See, in the first uh, sentence, he has a girl. A girl is being shown. Okay, the same girl in the next sentence, that is the girl wants to become a doctor. Now particularly we are talking about that girl only, she wants to become a doctor. Now the next example is I ate an apple. See, an apple, it's over, we have used an apple, but in next sentence we have used the apple was sweet. Particularly we are talking about that apple only. Okay, or singular apple. Okay. Now the second usage, it is used when we talk about a particular person or thing. Okay. Now when we use the second kind of forms, that is, my father enjoyed the book you gave him. Now what he had enjoyed? The book. Okay. The book one which is offered by someone is enjoyed by the father. Okay. So the next one is let's go to the park. Where you have to go? To the park. And how it is shown? The park. Okay, children. Now third usage. It is used when a singular noun is used to represent the whole class. So when we want to show something in a group, in a huge form, in huge quality, at the time we use the. The cow is a useful animal. Now see, particularly we are talking about the cow and how it is a useful animal, a helpful animal. We are describing its quality. Okay. Now second, the cat loves comfort. What we love? The cat. Okay. Now we are talking particularly about cat. Okay, children. Now the fourth usage of the, it is used before some proper noun. Okay, particularly before ocean, sea, river, desert, group of islands, mountains, ranges, holy books. Okay, here the example: the Pacific, the Black Sea, the Ganga, the Nile, the Sahara, the West Indies, the Himalaya, Bhagavad Gita, the Quran, the Bible. Okay, children. Now fifth usage is, it is used before to refer the particular person or object that is or that are unique. Okay, children. When we use the in the fifth usage, it is used the to refer to people or objects that are unique. Example, the sun, the moon, the sky, the ocean, the sea. Okay, children. So here we end our articles. I hope you all understood. Okay, children. Okay, thank you.